Hi, I'm going to share with you how I kind of get around and still achieve the lesson for the day when Schoology is down and I have a bunch of links and assignments up on Schoology. So this might work for you. What I do, I go into Scenes on GoGuardian and I add a scene. I'm going to name it Today. I did create scenes for today really quickly, but thankfully Schoology started working again. Then you can auto open tabs for the students. So first I want to open my Zoom link for them all as soon as class starts. Next, for today's lesson, I'm having students record a Flipgrid. So I'm going to copy and paste the link to our Flipgrid and add that tab. Next, I had students create an exit ticket or complete an exit ticket. So I'm copying this link as well. And then lastly, I was having students plan their Flipgrid using a Google slide in the assignments feature on Schoology. So each one of them had their own and they weren't all working on one. So the way that I'm doing this is to copy and paste this link, but I don't want them all to be working on the same one. So I'm going to paste it right here. But after edit, I'm going to do copy, so it'll force the students to make a copy of their planning page. I won't have access to it unless I want them to share it with me. But that's the way that I still have students access the materials when Schoology is down. I found it helpful. However, sometimes students do automatically close out of the tabs, so sometimes I have to restart the session. If you want to open up those tabs, it's right there labeled with the date. Before you start, let's just say that we're going into period 7. I can click right here and it says apply scene to this session, and I would then click this. As soon as I press start session, all of the tabs are going to open up for your students in your GoGuardian class, as long as they're in their computers at that time. So I'd actually wait a couple of minutes, like right when class started, so that they aren't confused or that it doesn't open their Zoom before they're ready for that. All right, I hope that this helps you.